I'm talking about natural hair and I'm wearing wig. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susan. Welcome. Please don't make it your last. Do well to subscribe, click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about using cloves on your natural hair. Yes, cloves. So I've been seeing the trend here on YouTube and I decided to try it out, and I'm here to give my reviews and my take. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So guys, you might be wondering, I'm talking about natural hair and I'm wearing wigs. Yes, I have my hair in twists. I'm going to insert a picture of what it looks like. I'm still on the clove hair journey and routine. I've done it for 14 days and I'm here to give my review. Clove is a natural herb and aromatic spice used in local cuisine. Your pepper soup, your zobo drinks, your some other local dishes. I can't think of them now from the top of my head, but clove is a very important spice in our local cuisines. But lately I've been seeing people use it on their natural hair. I like to try stuff on my natural hair, and clove is one of the things I see here on YouTube a lot, and I decided to try it. The clove spice is rich in sodium, potassium, omega-3, vitamin C and K, and it's also rich in iron. The benefits of using cloves from research says that it stops premature growing of hair, it adds shine to your natural hair, it promotes hair growth, it stops hair loss, and it helps treat dandruff. There are various ways you can use clove or incorporate them in your natural hair routine. You can use them as a hairspray or leave-in conditioner. You can use them as hair rinse or hair tea. You can use them as you can infuse them in your oil, that's you make a clove oil. You can use them as hair butters. You can use them as deep conditioner. But me personally, I've used it as hairspray, and I also infused it in my Ayurvedic hair oil. So if you have not seen that video, I have it here on YouTube. I'm going to link it in the description box below. Do well to check it out. I have cloves and other herbs infused in my hair oil, and it's giving me great benefit. So guys, I've used cloves for 14 days and I will say it actually does grow the hair. I used it as hairspray and then I seal it in with my Ayurvedic hair oil. The next clip you're going to see is how I use it on my natural hair so that you can understand better. From that clip you can see how I used it on my natural hair. So to my review, I have used clove for 14 days and it's safe for me to say that it does work. I've seen changes from when I started using it to where my hair is now, and personally I can say it worked. It worked for me. Some people say it causes itchy scalp, some people say it breaks their hair, but I feel you are using it wrongly. If you're using cloves the right way or you're incorporating it the right way in your hair routine, it's not supposed to break your hair. And you need to know your hair type before you try out any hair product on your hair. You need to know your hair porosity to know if your hair can accept such product or your hair is going to reject it totally. So I'm going to leave a link to a video I watched here on YouTube. She talked about reasons why cloves might not be working on your natural hair. So I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description box so you can go there and get full details. But I personally, I feel before you try out any product on your natural hair, you should know your hair type and hair porosity to know if your hair can take such product. But it didn't break my hair, it didn't cause itching, it worked. My hair, anytime I use the spray and seal it with my hair oil, my hair is always shining. Yes, it has this aromatic smell, but it's not bad. It's not something that you can't deal with yet. If you'd like to see more videos of me using it either as a deep conditioner or as oil on its own, that's me making just clove oil, nothing else, please leave it in the comment section and I'll be sure to try it out. I'm still trying it out on my natural hair and I would love to try it out in more of my routine. If you stay to the end of this video, you're a real deal. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.